Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? It's Links 070 to the V. Just touching base with you guys, hoping that everything is going fine and everything is going as smooth as possible. Much love and much respect goes out to those who continue to support the movement of this channel and what we have to offer to you. As always, we always try to bring you credible information and credible content in a speedy and timely fashion, and we always try to make sure that our information is very accurate as much as possible. So it's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and wherever you are watching this right now in the world, I trust and hope that you have a blessed and productive day, and despite what challenges you might face, just always put your best foot forward and try your very best in order to achieve what you want, because life is so unpredictable and you don't know when things can just start to go your way. So you always just have to just try your very best at whatever you're doing, and no matter what, never you try to just give in to what's going on, and always just put that best foot forward, as I said before, because life is so unpredictable in these current days, and it's one of those times when we really need to just reflect on life more and start to value life more. Because when you look what is going on in our country and around the world in general, on a large scale note, realize that people is like they don't value life anymore, and life is such a precious thing. It's so good to be alive. And when we look on the space of crime and the space of violence that is taking place, it's a very sad and unfortunate situation that we have to live in. But guess what? Once you have life, you have hope. And once you have hope, anything is possible. So just bear that in mind this morning as you go out, wherever you are, as you venture out in order to get what you want in life. Just focus on yourself and try your very best at whatever you're doing. So this is where we're going to sign out for now, Links 007 TV. And much love, much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement. And much respect as always, all right? Peace out and bless.